I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make glutathione oil at home. First, let's understand what glutathione oil is and why you might want to create your own. This process allows you to control the quality and concentration of ingredients, ensuring a product tailored to your needs. We will cover everything from gathering your supplies to proper storage, making it simple to achieve a beneficial skincare addition. Get ready to learn the steps for crafting your very own glutathione oil. To start, gather your essential supplies. You'll need high-quality glutathione powder, which is the active ingredient. Next, choose a good carrier oil. Options like jojoba, argan, or sweet almond oil work wonderfully. For equipment, ensure you have a clean mixing bowl, a small whisk for thorough blending, and an airtight dark glass container for storage. Having everything ready before you begin makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's move to the mixing process. First, measure your chosen carrier oil into the clean mixing bowl. Next, carefully add the glutathione powder. A good starting point is a 2% to 5% concentration, depending on your desired potency. Whisk the mixture gently but thoroughly for several minutes. Continue mixing until the glutathione powder is completely dissolved and evenly dispersed throughout the oil, ensuring a consistent product. Once your glutathione oil is mixed, transfer it into the clean, airtight dark glass container. Proper storage is crucial. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its effectiveness. For application, use a small amount on clean skin, gently massaging it in once or twice daily. This homemade oil typically maintains its potency for about 3 to 4 months when stored correctly, offering a fresh and effective skincare solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.